Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can set up your crypto mining on your VPS. This is going to be working for Ubuntu based for Kali Linux or Linux based operating system. Anyways, without wasting any time, let's get right in the video. As you can see, I'm already logged into my VPS server. So right now I'm going to show you some codes you can use to set up xmrig, which is one of the best crypto CPU mining. Anyways, you wanna go sudo, and that is gonna start installing everything, and you wanna copy this as well. All these codes are going to be in the link in the description. Anyways, you wanna go ahead and paste that as well, and you wanna go git clone that, and it's gonna clone it. Then you wanna go cd xmrig, and you wanna build it. I'm just gonna copy this, and cmake, and then the last code is make. I'm just gonna start making everything that we need in order for xmrig to run. So this is actually gonna take a while, so I'll be back when it's done. Also, if you're currently liking the video so far and liking where the channel is going, please leave a sub or a like. It really helps out the channel and kind of motivates me to continue posting content like this. Anyways, see you when it's done. Okay, now that it is done, you just want to put in the script. If you want help making the script, you can contact me in the comment section and I can help you set up. Anyways, you just want to paste it in there. Did I actually paste it? Okay, you want to paste it in there like so, and okay, not to worry, you just need to connect to our VPS once again, because unfortunately I was disconnected because of inactivity, but do not worry. Let's go. Okay, we are now inside. Let's wanna go cd xmrig, ls cd build ls. Okay, I think we're good now. We just paste our script in there, and you should start mining using the CPU. I limited it to 6 threads because I don't want to get banned by Vultr. They can't ban you for high CPU usage, but so I wanted to stay below that. So now it's going to start mining for us. And if I go into my nicehash here, we can actually see that the rig has started mining. I'm just gonna go here and check my dashboard. It's not yet active because it hasn't started yet, but once it starts going through this job, we're gonna start earning. So I'm just gonna wait for this. Go into mining real quick and refresh the page a couple times until it finally shows up. It's still going through the job. Okay, it's got accepted. As you can see, 1 out of 2. That means it has started mining for us. Anyways, if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe. It really helps me out a lot. And comment any other suggestion for the next video you'd like to see. Anyways, stay healthy, stay fresh, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.